Well, this is the before video of the old vent. Getting it ready, prepping it, and I'll get you the video of what it looks like after. Not a bad day up here, by the way, on the roof here in Deer Park area, Washington. Yeah, we're getting close. Here we go. That's what it looks like before. I already got 2 screws out. So far, so good. Can't take wrong taking screws out. All the screws are out. She's slow to come out, but she's coming. Success. High kit bathroom. Our toilet. They got this sucker sealed good. Butyl and caulking. I've got to recreate all of this. So anyway, got it pulled up. Took about 5 to 10 minutes. Now comes another 20 minutes to clean all this crap off. Yay for me. I want a little bit of rubber glue, and then I put butyl on top of that, because I am not going to peel up the old. It's going to bond to the existing butyl underneath this tape, this gray stuff, man. There's no way. Yeah, anyway. Maybe I should have done the way around or whatever. Well, here it is. Haven't tested it out, haven't wired it up yet, but this is the outside. So we will see. I know you're gonna make fun of me. The beeps is 3/4 inch on the tube, so it looks thicker than it is because I couldn't get all the old die core off. So clean it off with a little alcohol, and there she is. We'll see how it works out. Pray for my work. There she is. Works. Me a baby.